Come start helping me around the farm, and I'll help you, cause Lord knows you need it.
Oh my god, senor. Wait. Let me show you something.
Give me a second right here. Now, this right here, I don't need no help right here, you know. Just having a nice time right here, you know. I seen somebody in my comments said they like the man fighters. Let me show you a man fighter right here. Let me show you now. Hold on now. Yeah. Now man fighter right there. Damn beauty right there. Yeah. Good bird right there. Damn beautiful bird right there now. Yeah. Ain't that what them females be doing? But the difference is my hair is real, not y'all's. My days might be over raising birds, you know. But it's okay, you know.
Oh my god, senor.
See these things right here? They going extinct right here. These are something you call man fighters right here. They're going extinct right here. You know, it's live action right here now. And another thing right here. I see people that talking about, oh, you holding them wrong. You holding them aggressive. That's why he turned into a man fighter right here. This right here. Shut the fuck up, now. Let me raise my fucking birds, now. I spend money on my birds. You don't. I apologize. I'm sorry. Damn leaper right there. Y'all ain't got no leapers on y'all yard, do you? I know you don't. I'm the only one. But alright now, this is the end of the video right here. Y'all keep raising them birds now. Another thing right here. Don't own no grazing. I'm proud of y'all this one. Alright now, love y'all now. Y'all take care.